Krishna River water dispute between Andhra Pradesh and Telangana has escalated yet again. Both the states have deployed security at the Nagarjuna Sagar and Pulichintala reservoirs.
As the tussle between Andhra Pradesh and Telangana has been escalating over the water crisis between both the states, well, now the issue has heated up between both Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Well, we are here at Nagarjuna Sagar at the Telangana side, where you can see massive police deployment.
Andhra government has demanded that Telangana stop the hydel power generation at Srisailam and Nagarjuna Sagar. Andhra Pradesh has deployed more than 100 policemen near the Pulichintala water project.
Krishna water, there is a dispute between the Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. It is going on now, but it is a very unnecessary because either Telangana or Andhra Pradesh, they can construct the dams or they can construct the lift irrigation schemes without the prior permission of the central government. So that one should take priority from permission from the central government, then only they can go ahead. If there is any violation, they can represent the matter to the central government, they can represent the matter to the Krishna River Board Authority is also there.
The Telangana police on Thursday stopped a team of officials from Andhra from visiting the Nagarjuna Sagar power generation unit, further escalating the row. Having written to the Union Ministry of Jal Shakti, now Andhra Pradesh CM has also written to the Prime Minister seeking his intervention.
Andhra Pradesh has been alleging that Telangana has taken up illegal construction works, but also at the same time Telangana states the same, that Andhra Pradesh has been taking up various projects which is not under their jurisdiction. Well, now it all remains to be seen as Jagan Mohan Reddy has written a letter to Prime Minister Narendra Modi over his intervention into this whole matter. This is Aneri Shah with video journalist Chandrasena for Republic TV.
Aneri now joins us live on the broadcast. Aneri, we just saw that report, and for the very latest on the ground, help us understand which side is overstepping and what are the claims and counterclaims coming in from both sides.
Well, Suesha, in regard with the water war between the state of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, we have been seeing both the states having massive talks in regard with this to get it resolved. But at the same time, as we are here at the Nagarjuna Sagar, well, now this is the Nagarjuna Sagar Dam project, which is being now, Andhra Pradesh has been alleging that there is an illegal construction, illegal way that Telangana is taking up the hydel power generation. And now on the right hand side of mine is the Andhra Pradesh border, where we had seen a massive police deployment by the Andhra Pradesh government, and also Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy had written a letter to Prime Minister Narendra Modi seeking his intervention. And now on the other side is the Telangana border. As you can see, the police vehicles being deployed there. There is a camp which has been set up by the authorities here, and also at the same time we see that there are barricades here on this bridge. Well, we are here at the Nagarjuna Sagar, and that is the Telangana side, where we see that the police camp has already been set up there, police officials being deployed here, and as you can see there are barricades which are put here, so that yesterday also we had seen collectors and officials of Andhra Pradesh trying to come here, and so the police officials made sure that they do not enter, and also they had stated that if anything needed be, then you can give a representation to the officials of Telangana and TS Genco in regard with the power generation. Well, now Andhra Pradesh has been stating this since a long time, that there is water crisis and Telangana has been taking it up illegally under the Krishna River Management Board. Right. And also at the same time we have been seeing Telangana stating that this is not right, and Andhra Pradesh has taken up illegal constructions at various projects.